fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere. And I like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears. So just call